Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about inequalities. So what is an inequality? Inequalities are mathematical sentences that compare the value of two expressions using symbols such as this or this. This one on the left right here, this one is what's referred to as less than. This one right here means is greater than. So what we're doing is we're comparing the value of two numbers. Doesn't matter if they're whole numbers, fractions, decimals. What we're doing is we're saying the value of this number is less than or greater than the other number on the other side of this inequality sign. Here's an example. I can have these two numbers right here, 3 and 5. On a number line, 5 in value is bigger than 3. So the symbol I can put in between here would be this one. This is read as 3 is less than 5. This is true. Now, there technically is another way to say this. You could say 5 is greater than 3. I don't like saying it that way. I just think it's sort of confusing. I would rather read this from left to right and then using the specific and the correct inequality symbol that goes with the comparison between these two numbers. So 3 is less than 5. That's one example. I can also say 15 and then compare it to a number such as 10. 15 is larger in value than 10, so therefore 15 is greater than 10. That would be how we would read this mathematical inequality. Now there are two other inequality symbols that we can use, and that would be the following. It's just taking these two same ones but adding something to them, and it looks like this. So this one is referred to as less than or equal to. And this one is referred to as greater than or equal to. And the interesting thing about these inequalities, these symbols specifically, is that we are allowed to put the same number on both sides of that inequality sign, and it would be a true statement. Here's what I mean by that. 4 is less than or equal to 4. This is true because this is saying 4 is less than or equal to 4. You have those two conditions. Is 4 less than 4? No, it is not. Is 4 less than or equal to itself? Yes, that's what this symbol is telling us that's what this symbol is telling us here. 4 is less than or equal to itself. Another example, I can say 10 is less than or equal to 10.5. This is true because 10 is less than 10.5. There's technically two other inequality symbols. We might have seen them before. One of them is the equal sign, and another one is not equal to. This is just saying it is as it is. 6 is equal to 6. Any value is equal to itself. If I were to put that into perspective using that other inequality symbol, I can say 11 is not equal to 17. This is true. These are two different values. These are the same values. I can also replace this equal sign with either one of these, and it would be a true statement. The only exception for this one, I can also, again, say is not equal to. In order to make this a true statement as well, another symbol I can put here would be the less than or equal to. Just to show you two different ways of writing that inequality. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.